We humans like to think we're smart, but when it comes to the universe, we've barely scratched the surface. Our universe is an astonishing 13.8 billion years old and still expanding. But what came before it? Why did the Big Bang happen? It's the ultimate mystery, the biggest problem. We can't see it directly, but NASA refuses to give up. In fact, the James Webb Space Telescope has just captured images that could bring us closer than ever to witnessing the origins of everything. What kind of power does this telescope possess, and how will it reshape the future of astronomy? The discoveries it's making might just change our understanding of the universe forever. Before we explore how James Webb Telescope is unlocking the secrets of the Big Bang, let's talk about why this event is so important. The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation for the origin of our universe. In simple terms, it suggests that everything, every galaxy, every star, and even time itself began from an unimaginably hot and dense point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded at incomprehensible speeds. Over 13.8 billion years, that expansion has slowed, giving us the universe we see today. But here's the catch. We can't actually see the beginning of the universe. Our understanding of it is based on mathematical models, indirect observations, and one critical clue: the cosmic microwave background. This faint glow, first predicted in 1948 and discovered by accident in 1965, is the oldest light in the universe, a leftover from the Big Bang itself. But even with this, the exact nature of our cosmic origins has remained frustratingly elusive. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which mainly observed visible and ultraviolet light, the telescope is designed to detect infrared light. This allows it to peer much farther into the past, because, as the universe expands, the light from its earliest galaxies is stretched into the infrared spectrum. In other words, James Webb is a time machine capable of seeing the first galaxies ever formed. And its discoveries have been mind-blowing. On July 12, 2022, the telescope released its first full-color images, capturing breathtaking views of the Carina Nebula, Stephan's Quintet, and deep-field galaxy clusters. But that was just the beginning. Shortly after, it detected what is now considered the oldest galaxy ever seen, a system that formed a mere 300 million years after the Big Bang. That might sound like a long time, but in cosmic terms, it's nearly at the very start of everything. James Webb Telescope orbits the Sun at Lagrange Point 2, a staggering 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. Unlike Hubble, which orbits Earth at only 570 kilometers up, this location allows JWST to stay in a stable position, free from Earth's heat and light interference. With its massive 6.5-meter gold-coated mirror and a 22-meter sun shield, James Webb is the most advanced telescope ever built, designed to capture faint light from the deepest corners of the cosmos. But what exactly sets it apart from Hubble? Unlike Hubble's 2.4-meter primary mirror, James Webb's massive hexagonal mirror segments allow it to gather over 6 times more light, revealing details Hubble could never see. With this power, JWST doesn't just study distant galaxies, it's also revolutionizing our understanding of exoplanets, black holes, and dark matter. So what has it found so far? One of James Webb's most shocking discoveries came when astronomers spotted 6 massive galaxies that defied everything we thought we knew about the early universe. These galaxies, appearing just 500–700 million years after the Big Bang, were far larger and more developed than our models predicted. In fact, some of them may be as massive as our Milky Way, when, according to current theories, such large structures shouldn't have even existed yet. This completely challenges our understanding of how galaxies form. Until now, scientists believed that after the Big Bang, the universe was too turbulent for large structures to emerge quickly. But James Webb's findings suggest that galaxies might have formed much earlier and more efficiently than previously thought. If true, this means we may need to rewrite the history of the cosmos. But James Webb isn't just changing what we know about the early universe, it's also revolutionizing planetary science. In its first few months, the telescope analyzed the atmosphere of exoplanet WASP-96b, detecting water vapor, clouds, and even chemical compositions that could hint at life beyond Earth. The James Webb Telescope is a game-changer for astronomy. With each new discovery, it's challenging our assumptions about the universe and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. What else will James Webb reveal? Could it finally show us the first stars, the formation of black holes, maybe even clues about what came before the Big Bang? Only time will tell. What do you think James Webb's next big discovery will be? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing updates about the universe.